No way. Did you see what Jeff did with the Smart Bench? You can see a lot more detail further along in the video. Jeff has a really cool shop, 2-car garage, parks cars in it. He's got a full-on shop. A great lesson for all of us, how we can leverage our spaces, double duty, and really enjoy them. If you want to build a smart wood shop for yourself, a smart station, the heart of it all, the Smart Bench, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video right down there. Click on that link, purchase any or all of the plans in packages, and within minutes, you can download them 24/7, 365.
Good morning, my name is Jeff Waite. I'm located in Central Illinois, and welcome to the OCD Wood Shop. I've been woodworking a little bit all my life. I built both the houses that I've lived in, and in 2005 I retired from the firehouse and looked to find something to do in my spare time. So I thought I'd set up a shop in my garage. This is what has become of my garage. It's still a functional garage for parking the cars in it, but it's also the wood shop. My daughter bought a new house in, I don't know, 2016, something around there, and the cabinets in the kitchen were not in the greatest repair, so she wanted new cabinets, so I thought I'd tackle it and see if I could do it. That was the first project, and it's led to many more. I had a great friend that guided me through the cabinet procedure. Never built cabinets in my life, but Eric at the Poplar Shop was very helpful and watched his 16-step program on building cabinets. I met him at a get-together in Indianapolis, and nicest guy in the world, and I appreciate all you've done for me, Eric. To start the shop, I started looking for what I would want for tables and stuff to work on, and I ran across Ron's great workbenches. And the first one I built was his first bench, and it was in 2 pieces and portable, but I didn't do a lot of working out on the road. So I just I changed it a little bit and adapted it to the shop. So I'm getting ready to make some shutters for a Christmas present for my daughter, so I'll just show you this setup of the shop. This is a 2-car garage. This is 1 bay, storage for some wood, dust extractor for my workbench, a tool chest there on the wall. It opens up, inside are wrenches, hammers, other stuff. On the outside is most of my woodpecker tools, and commonly used things over on the left side. Some of the Festool items I have. The left side contains my drills, a battery router, some Bosch tools that I use outside quite a bit, several batteries that I've got, some of the tape measures I have, and also most of my air nailers, some pocket hole screws, sorted nuts, bolts, fasteners, electrical connectors, chargers, air compressors. Those are piped in through the garage, joiner, Festool rails, and then I've also air conditioned this so I can stay in it in the summertime and work. Triangle that a friend of mine in Florida had a giveaway, and I was lucky enough to win it. A SawStop Craig table there, it's very handy. Bandsaw, drill press, Bessie clamps up above, dust extractor, router, clamps, more clamps over here on this side. A few more of the Festool tools I've got. Dust extractor back at the back that's hooked up to my Capex saw. My wife's side of the garage, some of my fire gear that I had, some collectibles that I had. This cabinet contains a lot of electrical tools, several of the tools I use when building the house. The Craig machine, I love that thing. Used a lot of pocket holes in my life. Gas heater. Keeps it comfortable out here. have a eye wash station and a first aid kit, a DeWalt planer, and the rigid sander. All of these tools are on wheels so I can move them around any place in the shop. Seeing how I've got about every inch of wall space taken up, I found a way to get my Paulk table out of the way. As you can see behind me, I've mounted it up on the ceiling. I put a Harbor Freight hoist up in the attic with some pulleys and switch over on the wall. Mounted the switch up high so no children can get to it. And I usually store a couple boards on top of it to do my cutting. Thank you, Ron, for doing all of these videos of other people's shops and putting them on there and letting us all learn from what everybody else has done. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed the tour that Jeff gave us of his Smartwoodshop, then be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment down below. Ask Jeff some questions. I'm sure he'd be happy to answer them for you. We want to see your wood shop. It's really easy. Grab your smartphone, turn it horizontal. If it's 4K, turn on the 4K, walk through and just show us your shop. I'll take care of editing it. All you got to do is send it to me via Dropbox. I'll put a link in the description of the video down below. We've got a lot more Smartwoodshop tours to come. If you don't want to miss any of them, be sure to subscribe. But most important, when you subscribe, ring that little bell so YouTube will let you know when the Smartwoodshop puts up a new video. Thanks for hanging out with Jeff today. You stay safe and have a great day.